Okay, just another quick reinforcement of how to use a great reading skill, which is to skim and scan. So this task requires you to plough through 200 odd pages of the Australian Core Skills Framework document and make your way to the glossary section and then be able to copy and paste some of the definitions from the glossary, as you can see here below. So how do we wade through 200 pages of official document? Well, first of all, it's asked us to go back up to the ASCF document, so we can double click on that embedded document. Alright, so if we go to the table of contents, we see the introduction, the core skills sections, the appendices. Now, under the appendices you can see Appendix 3 Glossary. Now, I jumped to that pretty quickly because I'm familiar with the document, but let's say you're not. So we'll go back up to the top. I mean, there might be 4 or 5 pages on some documents with their table of contents. So we go back up to the top and we can use an electronic form of finding the glossary. So we hit the Control F function and we can type in, under the little find box there, glossary. So there, the find next prompt takes us to the first place that it would show up, which is in the table of contents. Now, unfortunately, the table of contents was a bit out of whack due to a couple of extra supplements, and that table of contents on their official document didn't get updated. So you will actually have to go onto page and select page 189 because that's where Appendix 3 starts. So perhaps by hitting Control F, Appendix 3, it may more successfully take you through if you're hitting that Find Next all the way through. Anyway, page 189. Now basically you'll be going through, so if it asks for AQF, you would then hold your left mouse key down and then scroll across to select it, hit your right mouse key to bring up a lot of pop-up options, hit copy, and then you would go back and open up your document, find where AQF is, and then right click, once your cursor's beside AQF, right click and hit paste, and that will actually bring across the definition.